So I want to express this Riemann sum, this Riemann sum limit as a definite integral without evaluating it. And here's my little formulas down here. So this is my x, and my change in x is b minus a over n. So this is my change in x, right? So that was equal to b minus a over n, and a is right here. So a is what? So I'm basically trying to find a and b and f of x. That's what I'm trying to do, to write this in terms of, I want to find a, b, f of x, and then I just have dx. So here are my formulas. Well, this is my change in x right here. And a, this is my a plus k change in x. So here's my k change in x. Do you see that? There's k change in x. So that means this right here is my what? That's my a. Make sense? So down here it goes negative pi over 6 is down there. Follow how I'm coming up with that? And then what's my b? Well, this is change in x. You can just plug it in. Plug in my a. Change in x is this number right here. So pi over 6n equals, I don't know b yet, b minus a. I know a, it's negative pi over 6 all over n. So I'm just basically simplifying this problem. You might want to just rewrite this as, what would that be? Pi over 6 over n. That's just pi over 6 over n, right? If I wanted to rewrite this, this would be pi over 6 over n. So really, this is just equal to this. Pi over 6 equals b minus a negative pi over 6. So what would b have to be equal to?
0. I'm kind of confused. Can you pause for a second?
Yeah, b would have to be equal to 0.
I didn't mean to get this lost.
So where's my b?
Wait, can you pause for a second?
Yeah, give me a second. B is 0. And then, of course, we just have to write in the f of x, and the function you can see is just 3 cosine x. So there's your answer. The more you do this, the more you kind of understand the shortcuts, and you see you don't even have to do usually all of this work. You can just see that that's going to be the difference, like how far away is it, and you kind of get the hang of it. So it's usually not that hard.